Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. If you are just one of the many buyers who want to buy something at good price but reliable in China, here is the time. Come with me and let's take a look to the factory, which is dedicated to the injection and mold injection parts. Seeing is believing. Let's go take a look. This is a factory named ABERY, supplying one-stop solution of plastics molds for the customers with many years and exporting a lot of injection models to EU and US. It has an in-house production capability and up-to-date facilities as well trained and self-motivated employees to make sure it can be competitive in the industry. They are trying to help the customers succeed and achieve more benefits in all their projects during the whole process, from ideas to real products to their customers. The showroom is showcasing many samples made by factory and consists of automotive area, medical area, industrial area and electronic area and most others. The diagram dedicates the customer who have visited here, and most of them are companies all around the globe. And in front of me is R&D department. As the quote said, good mold design is half succeed of mold making. They have 8 engineers designing the molds and making CNC programming. Each of them work in the mold industry for more than 10 years. They use multiple Canon CAD software to design molds such as SolidWorks, UG, Pro-E and AutoCAD. Now let's get a look around CNC department. Most work milling and machining can be done at high speed by the machines imported from Taiwan 2 years ago, and the tolerance they can accept is less than 0.1 millimeters. The EDM and wire cutting department is in our side. It has 3 sets of mirror EDM supplied by the brand of Miles, imported from Switzerland, and 3 sets of wire cutting machines supplied by the brand of Mitsubishi, imported from Japan. Also, the tolerance they accept is less than 0.005 millimeters. This is mold QC department. Mold's quality will be confirmed by the precise machines, such as CMM, projectors, and each of every process will be monitored by the QSC department to make sure all the critical dimensions within the required tolerance. They have passed ISO 901, and the production will be implemented as per the standard, such as every 2 hours QC will do the checking. And the concept of green production has been implemented to every factory to make sure the safety of the workers. ABERY has a stable cooperation relationship with international well-known logistic companies. Because of that, they want every single product manufactured by them so they can be delivered by the customs on time. Offices are located in the 2nd floor. Some of them are in charge of purchasing, some of them for sales assistant, and the rest of them for human resources. Let's go take a look. Now is the end of the journey. I believe you can have an in-depth experience for all the aspects of the factory, ABERY. It is your choice to get your business started. Okay, I'm Daniel and this is Hi Mike program. See you next time.